it's all about profitability.
Yeah.
That's what it's all about. Like, there's no point in measuring sales or like what the accountants love to measure is staff numbers. And
what's that got to do with anything?
It's ridiculous. So you're and obviously then it's, if you can keep your margins consistent with sales growth, there's no point in increasing the sales by 100% and the margin has dropped by whatever, a third or whatever. Like, you're probably going to be more or less you're not much the better off for more headaches. So
profitability is what we want.
Yeah.
And would you look at that? Should we be looking at that in our business every month?
Depends. Depends on how. Some businesses and service businesses are quite easy, because really you probably will know, and particularly if you're small and you have a few staff, you know by the sales what the profitability is. Yeah. Because there's no mystery.
Because your overheads are the same.
Fixed, and you know what they are. But when you do, I would say in a service business, if you go above 8, 10, you definitely would need monthly figures. Yeah. For like trading businesses, like, it's all dependent on the nature of the business and if they've stock, and we get it all the time, like where clients have stock or work in progress or whatever it is, and the stock isn't measured accurately and the work in progress is never right, and like, you can't, it's pointless doing that because it totally distorts what you're looking at. So, but I would say I wouldn't be overly fixated on the period. Obviously the more frequent the better, particularly when you're growing and particularly when you have the money and the resources that you can afford it, like, and that's fine. It's the accuracy of what you're looking at, and to be consistent with what goes into the figures, to make sure that goes in consistently and facilitates comparison, and identify from that, like, well, what are the key metrics that you should be keeping an eye on?